Welcome to Intelligence Gateway.
Microsoft Excel Lecture 8. In this lecture, we will learn about advanced formulas and functions, introduction to advanced formulas and functions, logical functions, if, and, or, lookup and reference functions, lookup, index, match, text functions, concatenate, left, right, etc. Date and time functions, array formulas and functions. Introduction to advanced formulas and functions. Excel is a powerful tool that can help you manage large amounts of data with ease. However, as your data grows more complex, so do your calculations. This is where advanced formulas and functions come in. By using these tools, you can simplify your calculations and automate many tasks, saving you time and effort. In this presentation, we will explore some of the most commonly used advanced formulas and functions in Excel, including logical functions, lookup and reference functions, text functions, date and time functions, and array formulas and functions. By the end of this presentation, you will have a better understanding of how to use these tools to streamline your work and make your data work for you. Logical functions, if, and, or. Logical functions are an essential part of Excel formulas and can help simplify complex calculations. The if function allows you to test a condition and return one value if the condition is true, and another value if it's false. For example, you could use the if function to calculate bonuses for employees based on their performance. The and, or functions allow you to combine multiple conditions in a single formula. The and function returns true only if all conditions are true, while the or function returns true if any of the conditions are true. These functions are particularly useful when working with large datasets that require complex calculations. Lookup and reference functions, VLOOKUP, HLOOKUP, index, match. VLOOKUP, HLOOKUP, index, and match are powerful lookup and reference functions in Excel that allow you to search for and retrieve data from a table. VLOOKUP and HLOOKUP are used to find specific values in a table based on a search term, while index and match can be used to perform more complex searches and lookups. These functions can save you a lot of time and effort when working with large amounts of data. Text functions, concatenate, left, right, etc. The text functions in Excel, such as concatenate, left, and right, are incredibly useful for manipulating and combining text strings. For example, you can use the concatenate function to combine first and last names into a single cell, or use the left and right functions to extract specific parts of a text string. These functions can save you a lot of time and effort when working with large amounts of data. Another powerful text function is the substitute function, which allows you to replace specific text within a cell with different text. This can be especially helpful when cleaning up messy data or correcting errors. There are many other text functions available in Excel, so take some time to explore them and see how they can make your work easier and more efficient. Date and time functions. Excel's date and time functions are powerful tools that allow you to perform complex calculations and manipulate date and time values with ease. Whether you need to calculate the number of days between two dates, extract the month from a date, or add a certain number of hours to a time value, Excel date and time functions have got you covered. Some of the most commonly used date and time functions in Excel include today, which returns the current date, which allows you to create a date value from separate year, month, and day values, and time, which creates a time value from separate hour, minute, and second values. Other useful functions include year, month, day, hour, minute, and second, which allow you to extract specific components of a date or time value. Array formulas and functions. Array formulas and functions are powerful tools in Excel that allow you to perform complex calculations and manipulate data in ways that would be difficult or impossible with standard formulas. Unlike irregular formulas, which operate on a single cell or range of cells, array formulas can operate on multiple cells at once, performing calculations across entire rows or columns. To use an array formula, You need to enter it into a range of cells as an array formula. This is done by selecting the range of cells where you want the results to appear, entering the formula into the formula bar, and then pressing CT or L plus Shift plus Enter instead of just Enter. Excel will automatically enclose the formula in curly braces to indicate that it is an array formula. Conclusion. In conclusion, advanced formulas and functions are powerful tools in spreadsheet software that enable users to perform complex calculations and automate tasks. They provide the ability to manipulate data, analyze information, and generate meaningful insights. Here are some key points to consider. 1. Increased functionality. Advanced formulas and functions offer a wide range of capabilities beyond basic arithmetic operations. They include mathematical functions, logical operators, text manipulation functions, date and time functions, statistical functions, and more. These tools allow users to handle complex calculations and solve intricate problems efficiently. 2. Data analysis. Advanced formulas and functions are especially valuable for data analysis. They enable users to extract specific information, perform calculations based on conditions, filter and sort data, and create dynamic reports. With these tools, users can uncover patterns, trends, and relationships within their data. 3. Automation. One of the major benefits of advanced formulas and functions is their ability to automate tasks. By using functions such as if, sum if, lookup, and index match, users can set up formulas that dynamically update based on changing data or conditions. This automation saves time and reduces the risk of errors. 4. Customization. Advanced formulas and functions provide flexibility in customizing calculations and operations. Users can combine different functions, create nested formulas, and build complex formulas to meet specific requirements. This level of customization allows for precise control over calculations and enhances the overall functionality of spreadsheets. 5. Learning curve. While advanced formulas and functions offer significant advantages, they can also present a learning curve. For users who are unfamiliar with their usage, it may require time and effort to understand the syntax, parameters, and logic behind these functions. However, with practice and resources like documentation and tutorials, users can gain proficiency and harness the full potential of these tools. Overall, advanced formulas and functions greatly enhance the capabilities of spreadsheet software, enabling users to perform sophisticated calculations, analyze data effectively, and automate repetitive tasks. By leveraging these tools, individuals and organizations can optimize their productivity, make informed decisions, and gain a competitive edge in data-driven environments.
Thanks for watching. For more information, like, comment, and subscribe our channel.